Welcome to Chris's Tech Tips. Today we're going to talk about an economical solution for fixing and replacing your Panelview 550. On the Panelview 550s, regardless of the version you have, touchscreen, keypad, whether what software you have, the function, the 95% of the time for the failures is the screen or the backlight. The backlight is a simple bulb, which is the most common failure, and it's kind of archaic what they do, but it seems to work, gets them through until it fails, and then it costs you a lot of money to replace a simple light bulb. Monotech Industrial Display Solutions has a replacement for both the display and the backlight, so you won't have this problem again. It uses electroluminescence technology, simple plug and play, throw the bulb away, and never have to worry about it again. On the installation of the new LCD from Monotech Industrial Display Solutions, very simple. I've just pre-removed the screws to save you some time watching me unscrew stuff, and I've removed the cables. So basically you remove the top, you remove all the cables, and your old ancient fiber optic cable that they have for the lighting system, which the original equipment manufacturer will not replace for you. And you remove the any keypad, touchscreen, pull the board back. This is your main computer board. Remove the screws, and this is your old LCD. Install the new LCD, same holes, same everything. Put the screws back in, your computer goes exactly back to how it was before. All the cables, everything lines up. And of course you plug everything in. And I'm just not doing this to save some time, and it goes right back in place, and all the connections and everything all match and line up. No extra hassle, and you're done. And that gets you a new LCD and new backlight for your Allen Bradley Panelview 550. This replacement solution is a fast, easy install, and you'll never have a problem with your backlight ever again. This is a nice, simple, keep your machine running for years and years to come and you don't have to, no need to upgrade. Just install the new display and let the Panelview 550 to work for you for many years after.